Hey there, decision makers! Are you ready to conquer the world of make or buy decisions in manufacturing and procurement? Well, buckle up because today we're diving headfirst into this exciting topic that can shape the future of your organization. Make or buy decisions are like a puzzle. They require a delicate balance of supplier relationships, legal management, and weighing the pros and cons. But fear not, my friends. We're here to guide you through this journey and help you make informed choices. Let's start by understanding the different levels of make or buy decisions. It's like diving into a three-tiered cake of decision-making goodness. First up, we have strategic make or buy decisions. These decisions have a big impact on your organization's manufacturing operations, from product development to supplier selection. It's like setting the course for your organization's future. Tactical make or buy decisions come into play when there's a temporary imbalance in manufacturing capacity. Sometimes demand is skyrocketing, and you might need to bring in external suppliers to meet the surge. Other times, demand might dip, and you can bring some work back in-house. Last but not least, we have component make or buy decisions. These decisions happen at the design stage when you're deciding whether to make a specific component in-house or buy it from external suppliers. Now that we've explored the different levels, let's sprinkle some cost factors into the mix. Cost factors, my friends, they play a significant role in make or buy decisions. Let's dive into the world of numbers, calculations, and financial magic. First up, we have marginal costing. It's like comparing the price of buying a product from suppliers with the cost of making it in-house. Understanding marginal costs and contributions will lead you down the path of financial enlightenment. Gaze into the crystal ball of numbers and uncover the truth. Opportunity cost, my friends. It's like looking at the road not taken. When you make a decision, you're giving up the potential benefits of the alternative break-even analysis, our trusty sidekick. It helps you determine the most profitable course of action. By understanding break-even points, you'll be able to make informed decisions that maximize your profits and minimize risks. It's like finding the treasure map to success. Cost is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's explore other factors that can influence your make or buy decisions. Crunching the numbers, folks. Various quantitative factors can swing the decision in favor of making or buying. Analyzing these factors will give you a clearer perspective on your decision-making process. The art of decision-making. Qualitative factors also play a significant role. It's not just about numbers, it's about considering aspects like quality, expertise, and long-term implications. Supplier relationships, ahoy! They're like the secret ingredient that can make or break your make or buy decisions. Let's explore how to nurture these relationships and unlock their full potential. Clear, open, and honest communication with your suppliers is vital. Share your expectations, concerns, and feedback regularly. Treat your suppliers as partners, not just transactions. Collaboration is the name of the game. By working together and sharing common goals, you can achieve greatness. Embrace the power of technology, my friends. E-procurement software is your superhero sidekick in supplier relationship management. It centralizes information, streamlines communication, and makes collaboration a breeze. Regularly evaluate your supplier's performance and provide constructive feedback. By nurturing their growth and improvement, you'll strengthen your relationship and achieve harmonious results. Show your suppliers some love. Demonstrate your long-term commitment by signing contracts, offering loyalty incentives, and supporting their growth. Now let's talk about the legal side of things. Contractual agreements. They set the ground rules for your relationship with suppliers. It's like drawing up a contract between superheroes, defining their roles, responsibilities, and terms of engagement. Clarity is key, my friends. When drafting contractual agreements, be specific and leave no room for misinterpretation. Money talk, everyone. Clearly outline the payment terms, including methods, schedules, and penalties. Guard your treasure, my friends. Ensure your contractual agreements protect your organization's intellectual property rights. Make sure your contracts comply with all relevant regulations. Phew, that was quite a journey through the world of make or buy decisions. Remember, it's not a game of chance, it's a strategic dance.